What's up, y'all? Andy, Epeius Garage. I was about to change my sanding hook and loop pad because it was totally wore out. As you can see right here, here's the old one. And I figured I'd go ahead and show you how. It's really simple. It's 4 bolts. 4 bolts. And they take a T20 bit. Really simple. And I ordered these on Amazon. My particular sander is the DWE6421. You can go on Amazon, put in whatever yours is, and it'll pull up for you. If you have a similar DeWalt sander, go ahead and just take the link in the description. Use it. I appreciate it. Anyways, check it out.
All right, let's do this. First, I started with my new pads. The ones I ordered came with 2, so that's great. You know, I got an extra for later. The first one, the original one, lasted me forever. But from there, I just unscrewed the old pad using that T20 bit. Real easy, 4 bolts, and it comes right off. Once I removed the old pad, I went ahead and inspected the inside of it. There's a little rubber band, I checked that. And then also I noticed it was really dirty, so I went ahead and blew it all out really well with my air compressor. You know, why not? Once every few years, I guess. Got it, my new pad, got it all clean. Time to put the new pad on. And like I said, it is really easy. All I'm gonna do is line it back up, and then I'm gonna place the 4 bolts back in. I almost didn't even make this video because it was so easy, but you never know. There might be somebody out there totally new to this and maybe not super mechanically inclined. So hopefully this helps you. But other than that, once you do that, it is ready to go and you're ready to rock and roll again. It all took me all but 5 minutes. So good luck. See y'all next time.